Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming basic prerequisites: battery above 20% and a Wi-Fi or mobile connection for app checks. Open Settings and tap Battery and Device Care, then Battery to view immediate usage stats and any system reports. Once done, launch Samsung Members, go to Get Help, then run Diagnostics and choose Battery to get a quick hardware check. These first steps reveal whether software reports or Samsung's own diagnostics can explain abnormal drain. Continue by running the full battery diagnostic in Samsung Members and read the pass/fail details. It tests voltage, charge cycles, and sensor health. Next, try the Android testing code *4636# in the phone app, if your model supports it, to view battery status, temperature, and voltage for more technical context. Make sure to compare results because values differ with temperature, recent charging, and app usage. To finish, install a trusted app like a Qoo battery to measure estimated capacity, track charge cycles, and get a health percentage. Run it for a few charge cycles for meaningful data. Then calibrate the battery by charging fully, discharging near zero, and charging fully again to stabilize readings. If metrics still conflict or the phone heats, reboot the device, update the system and Samsung Members, and rerun diagnostics. If problems persist, make sure to contact Samsung Service for hardware testing or replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.